Hi kids, let's learn alphabets. A for apple. B for bus. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for frog. G for girl. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for jam. K for kangaroo. L for lemon. M for mouse. N for nut. O for orange. P for pig. Q for queen. R for rocket. S for snake. T for telephone. U for uniform. V for vase. W for window. X for fox. Y for yellow. Z for zoo.